I roto I ngā tau he kanohi kitea a Mike McRoberts I roto I ona mahi ripoatatanga. Engari ko ona ake wero kai ona pokohiwi. Kei konei kei Toitū te reo a Mike ki te kōrero mo tōna huarahi ki te ako I te reo Māori kua roa nei e kimi ana. Ka mutu ki te kōrero mo ngā wero me ngā taumahatanga I pā ki aia. What have been some of the challenges in your reo journey?
Being older, it's harder for an older learner, and I just think, physically or mentally, it's harder. And then you have this trauma that you've kind of accumulated over the years, over the decades of that whakamā about making a mistake or getting it wrong, or or not being good enough, or not being able to learn it, and so you just need to get over that stuff.
E kōrero ana a Mike mo tana huarahi ki te ako I te reo Māori me tōna hirahira anō hoki.
This is why we do it. This is why we learn te reo Māori, because when one person learns, the whole whānau benefits.
I'm encouraging of people always pursuing better and challenging themselves. The biggest opportunity we have at the moment is to keep moving this movement forward. Not just with Māori, but non-Māori as well. Pākehā, bring them in, let them learn the language, let them understand the culture, because it is the indigenous culture of this country. As soon as we stop making that awkward, or as soon as they stop making that awkward, basically, then we're all going to move together.
Hei tā ētahi atu ko te reo Māori te tuāpapa mo te tuakiri Māori. Ā ko tēnei mea te ako I te reo Māori, he mea mutu ngā kore.
Te reo Māori for me is it's like the main ara. It's the biggest one that you can jump on for me, connecting back to who you are and your tuakiritanga and your motuhaketanga.
Kei runa tunu I te huarahi. Kei runa I te maunga kore tihi pēr. Aha kua eke ki tētahi o ngā taumata pēr, kai te manaki tonu I te reo I te kāinga I nā kura, he ākona tonu hoki.
I want to also say that my book is an invitation for non-Māori as well, for Pākehā, to find out a bit more, because we need them. We need to bring them along. What we don't want is getting mixed up with that really small handful of people who don't like us for ridiculous reasons, who climb up that ladder and then want to kick the ladder away. Well, I've got news for them. Our kotahitanga, when we come together, when we are unified, we help each other up. We don't need your bloody ladder.
Marohirohi ana te tū, tapatapahi ana ngā kōrero. Rahina huata, irirangi ka hungunu.